macOS 15.1 beta comes with various features like Apple Intelligence and Live Caption. Apple started rolling out this update and you can install it on your system to enjoy all the latest features. However, some users have reported that they are unable to get macOS 15.1 developer beta update on their Mac. In this video, I will guide you with what you can do if your Mac does not show the latest macOS 15.1 beta update. Step 1. Check for compatibility. Apple started rolling out this update only for Mac that have Apple Silicon chip and which supports Apple Intelligence. If you have a Mac with Intel processor, then you won't get the update. Step 2. Force quit system settings. For this, click on this Apple icon. Now, click on Force Quit. After this, select System Settings. Now, click on Force Quit. Click on Force Quit again. Now close this window. After this, restart your system. For this, click on this Apple icon again. Now click on Restart. Click on Restart again to reboot your Mac. Step 3. Sign into your Apple developer account. For this, open the Safari browser. Now search for Apple Developer. Now open the first link that appears. After this, click on this account option. Now log into your account here. Once you do this, close the browser. Now click on this Apple icon and then click on Restart. After this, click on Restart again to restart your Mac. Now once you do this, you should get the macOS 15.1 beta update on your Mac.